Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Moving on, as you already know, today's company is Principal Global. Let's quickly have an overview of the recruitment process.
So the profile offered by Principal is trainee apprentice for software development. The CTC that they are giving is 6 LPA. Now coming to the online test, the test was on e-litmus platform and consisted of 3 parts, and each part was an elimination part. So first there was a PAC test, which consists of basic aptitude questions. It was 15 questions in 30 minutes. Now the PH test, which is the most important test in all the 3 parts, which consisted of 60 questions in 2 hours. Each section has 20 questions, and the sections were quantitative ability, problem solving and reasoning, and the verbal section. Now, coming on to the negative marking, the negative marking starts after 25% of the attempted questions turned out to be wrong. For example, if you are attempting 16 questions, then the total number of wrong answers you are allowed is 4. If you are getting less than 4 questions wrong, then there will be no negative marking. If you are getting 10 questions wrong, then 6 of them will be drawn for negative marks of 50% each. Each section is treated independently for negative marking, and it is the marking is like +10 and -5. Solving at least 8 to 9 questions can put you in a sweet spot. The link to the complete pattern for PH test is given in the description box below. And the third segment is the quiz. After clearing the PH round, there is a small quiz of pattern matching and all, which has 6 questions in 10 minutes. Now coming to the interview rounds, there are basically 3 rounds. First is technical, second is behavioral, both last for around 1 hour, and last round is HR round. So we will be discussing this process in detail with our guest for today. Hey everyone, today we have with us Balaji, who has successfully cracked the placement for Principal Global. Welcome to our channel and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
So before we move on, let's do a quick round of intro first.
Yeah, so hello, I'm Balaji Gawane. I'm pursuing my BTech in computer science. I'm currently in my final year, and I am being placed at Principal Global Services recently.
Okay, so let's proceed with the interview segment then. So Balaji, if you could kindly share the details of the whole process, right from the initial rounds to the final interview.
Yeah, so first there were 2 tests. The first test consisted of 15 questions. All of them were like aptitude-based questions, like the car problems and those basic general problems. That was easy. Yeah, so secondly, there is a PH test. In that, there were 3 sections: the logical section, the quant section, and the verbal section. The logical section was a bit tough. Also, there is a special marking scheme for this test. So there was no negative marking as such, but there was a like catch in it that if more than 25% of the questions are wrong, then after that questions, whatever questions you make wrong are marked as negative. So for every correct answer, there are 10 points, and after the 25% of questions are wrong, then the upcoming wrong questions are given as -5 marks. So that was a tricky part. So there were total 50 questions, and so I had attempted only 35 questions because of the risk of negative marking. I didn't know how much of the questions were wrong of mine. And after the test, you have to submit the rough sheet of each of the question that you have attempted. You have to put some logic in that, why did you choose that answer. You have to upload that as a PDF on that platform only. After the PH test, there was a small quiz around 5 to 6 questions, where the questions were based on like finding the pattern in the question. So that was a really small test. I think that was just for validating the candidate after the PH test. Yeah, and after that, the interview round started. So after that, there was the technical interview. In the technical interview, the recruiter asked the questions based on my CV. He asked about the projects that I did in my internship and what all tools and technologies I used. And based on that, he asked questions of OOPS concepts, some questions based on computer networks and all. After that, there was a behavioral interview. In that interview, he gave me a lot of scenarios. Like in that scenario, what would you do? Like the technical scenarios. Like one of the scenario was like you have to build a attendance system for a college. So what all technology you will use? What will be the database? How will you implement that thing in your college and other things like that? And after that, there was the HR interview where the questions were like standard questions, like what will you do after 5 years? Where do you see yourself in 5 years and things like that. So this was the total interview experience of Principal Global.
So Balaji, can you give us a detail about the platform on which the aptitude test was conducted, as a PH test, I think, is most important part in this whole process?
Yeah, so the PH test was like hosted on e-litmus platform. So basically, principal communicated most of the things through e-litmus only. Like even after the joining, also they communicated through e-litmus. And to do practice of the PH test, one can simply like browse websites of aptitude, like India Bix and other things. That there are really good websites. Like we can practice each and every topic on it. And so what matters in this type of test is the speed. Like more than the knowledge, the speed matters most. So yeah.
Okay. Also, if you can provide the duration, details regarding the duration of the whole process.
Yeah, so in the interview process, the technical round lasted for around 1 hour. The behavioral round also lasted around 1 hour, but the like HR round was short, like around 20 to 30 minutes.
And what were the gaps that were that you had before moving on to the next round? And when was the final result declared?
The gaps were like around 2 to 3 hours gap was there between each interview.
So the all the rounds were on the same day itself.
Yes, yes.
So Balaji, are there any tips you would like to give to our juniors before applying in Principal Global?
Yeah, so the most important tip before applying anywhere is like your internship experience matters the most. Like the recruiter mainly focuses on the projects that you have done in the internship and what all exposure that you have got while working there. So internship before applying for placement really matters and helps a lot, because if there is no internship, then the recruiter will go deep in the core subjects where you have to revise the core subjects a lot. That's why internship is like a great thing to have before applying for placements. And for coding, like there are platforms like Hacker Rank, Hacker Earth, CodeChef, etc.
Okay, then. Thank you, Balaji, for coming in and sharing your experience with us. We really had a nice time. Also, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the content and our channel if you're still watching.
Yes, thank you for having me here, and you guys are doing great job. It will really help the juniors a lot. Thanks for having me.
Okay, guys, we will be back again in the next week with another interview segment. So till then, bye bye.
Bye, guys.
Say to me.